Hey there, Channel 14. Thanks for tuning into your forecast. I'm your meteorologist, Travis Patterson, here to take you through the weather for the next few days. And we've been stuck into this cold spell for the past few days, and that cold will linger around for the next few days into the foreseeable future. And along with this cold, we have a train of systems moving along through our area, just train after train of clipper system, bringing snow and rain showers throughout the weekend, continuing into next week. So what's the headlines for your forecast? On Friday, we'll start out very windy, winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, and along with it, that first clipper system into our area, bringing a light chance of snow showers for Friday afternoon. The next train of cars comes in on Saturday, starts out as rain, changing over to snow, back to rain, so it's going to be a messy day for us here on Saturday. But luckily, we can look towards St. Patrick's Day with a little bit of luck and see some sunshine for our forecast period. Now, what are the temperatures going to look like for your forecast this weekend? We'll start out a cold Friday morning into the mid-20s in central Pennsylvania, and we won't tend to warm up too much on Friday. We'll try to top out at 40 degrees here in State College, flirting with 50 degrees there in Harrisburg, but those winds will be howling on Friday, and it'll feel more like in the mid to low 30s for your Friday, so definitely bundle up if you're headed outdoors. Then another cold night for us on Friday, dipping down into the 20s for much of the Commonwealth. Notice, Bradford, you're hanging out into the upper teens. On Saturday, we, again, don't warm up too much, hanging out into the mid-30s, and then another cold one for us here Saturday night, into the mid to upper 20s for much of the Commonwealth. But again, Bradford is a cold spot at 13 degrees. Sunday, we'll try to warm up, but really we'll just flirt around with the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. But at least we can see some sun on Sunday. So what's the other story for your forecast? Well, it'll be the winds. We'll have a calm night Thursday, but as we head into the afternoon hours of Friday, that sun will try to creep out a little bit behind the clouds, and that will kick up the winds along with it, with mostly the Commonwealth steaming winds around the upper teens into the lower 20s with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. So definitely hold on to those hats, folks, if you're headed outdoors. Now, speaking of the precipitation for the next 20 to 48 hours, we do have those train of clipper systems moving through this weekend. The first one will be on Friday afternoon on our doorstep by 2 p.m., and that will give us a quick light coating of snow here in central Pennsylvania. Then as we head in throughout the Saturday morning hours, another system moving off to our south, and that will give us a chance of rain here in central Pennsylvania, changing over to snow, back to rain. It's going to be a misty day for us here on Saturday. But if we look off to our south and west on Sunday, we can see the beginnings of another system trying to creep into our area, chugging along those train tracks, and that will bring in some heavier precipitation as we start off the work week. Now, speaking of the work week, here's your 7-day forecast. Friday we'll see mostly cloudy skies, topping out of around 45 degrees, but those winds will be howling, so definitely bundle up because it's going to feel like it's in the 30s. On Saturday, we'll see that rain-snow mix coming in Saturday morning. Our highs will reach around 40 degrees. Cold nights for us here on Saturday into Sunday into the mid-20s, but we can look towards St. Patrick's Day and look out with a little bit of sun peeking through the clouds on our Sunday. Then as we head into the beginning of next week, we start out messy rain and snow showers with temperatures really not that warm for this time of year. Well, thanks for tuning into your forecast. I'm your Penn State student meteorologist, Travis Patterson. Have a great day.